Good morning, grade 8. We are doing topic 8, quadrilaterals, construction and its types. In that, we are doing 8.1, question 3. First two we have already done in our earlier videos. Let's go to question 3 now. You have to draw quadrilateral ABCD such that AB is 6.4, BC is 4.8, angle A is 70 degree, B is 50 degree and angle C is 140 degree. Now see, if you carefully look at these measurements, AB length is also given and AB angle is also given. So looking at this, it is better that we take AB as base. So first, as we have decided, we will draw the rough diagram. So let us draw one rough diagram, and then looking at that rough diagram, we can draw our fair one. Alright. So I am using this paper to draw a rough diagram. See now. So for example, if this is quadrilateral ABCD, we have decided AB should come at base. Why? Because A angle is given, B angle is given and AB length is also given. So AB, what should be the orientation? A, B, C and D. Use the letters as they are given, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Alright. Okay. How much is AB? AB is 6.4. Okay. Then BC is 4.8. Sometimes after drawing rough diagram, we come to know that, oh no, this arrangement is not proper. So again we have to redraw the rough diagram. So after making this rough diagram okay, then you draw it on your main page, and looking at that or using that as reference, you can draw your fair diagram. So let us see if this is working out. What is angle A? 70. How much is angle B? 50. How much is angle C? 140. That's all. And BC is given 4.8. So this is a construction of quadrilateral where two adjacent sides are given and three angles are given. Alright. And I think this is perfect. So you can use this as a reference diagram for drawing fair one. So let me draw this on my fair page also on a side. See, here I am drawing what I am going to draw. So I have A, B, C, D. This is 4.8. Okay. Then this is 6.4. This is 70 degrees. This is 50 degrees. And this is 140 degree. Okay. Now looking at this, can we draw? Let's draw quadrilateral. So first we are going to draw base AB, which is 6.4. So I am drawing AB as 6.4 over here. Okay. I'll just move this page. So let me draw 6.4. Six, 6.5, and before that just one line is 6.4. Okay, join this. This is your A and this is your B. Done. Now how much is angle A? Angle A is 70 degrees. Which is this side? This is your left hand side. Remember word Lina? I have told you, this Lina. Lina. So inside scale you have to use if we are keeping the protractor on left hand side. And I have told you another word Ross. Outside scale you have to use if you are keeping the protractor at right hand side. So you will never go wrong. So I am keeping it on left hand side, because there are two scales in protractor. So you will be confused which scale to use. I think this is perfect. Yeah. Now this is left hand side. So I have to use inside scale. So inside scale I am going to make 70 degree angle over here. Done. Alright. So let me take this 70 degree. Little ahead I am drawing. Okay. Now B is how much? Now B is my right hand side. Okay. I am putting protractor on my right hand side. So which scale am I going to use now? If right hand side, outside scale. So outside scale I have to mark 50 degrees. So somewhere here it is going to come. Alright. Okay. Let me join this also. Okay. So we have drawn 70 degree angle. we have drawn 50-degree angle. We have drawn AB as 6.4 centimeter. Now we want BC as 4.8. So 4.8 you need to take in compass and put an arc over there. How much it is? 4.8. So here I am taking, see this is 4.5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this line. Okay, this distance which I have taken is 4.8. I am going to keep it at B and give an arc. See, it is just cutting. Can you see? Or you can put your scale like this and see how much is 4.8. That also is due. But this is perfect method. I'll just zoom in. Can you see this arc? Okay, where it is cutting. This is from here to here will be 4.8. I'm making that point dark. Okay, let me make this point dark where that arc is cutting. Alright. Now I'm going to join that. So, sorry, I'm going to mark it. So this is point C. And now this is 4.8 centimeters. Now how much is angle C? 140 degree. Now you make this as a base. Are you understanding me? Then only it will be easy for you. Now again you have left hand side and you have right hand side. Where you are putting your protractor? On your right hand side. So if it is right hand side, which scale are you going to use? Put it exactly. I hope this is. Okay, can you see it is exactly cutting the arc also and matching with the line. Now if it is right hand side, see. If it is right hand side, we are going to use outside scale. So, okay, outside scale 140. So 140 is coming over here. Alright. Now you can join C point with this point. So somewhere it will cut this line. Okay. So wherever it is cutting that line, that will be your point D. Alright. See now. Let me make it like this again. You have got this point, students. Okay. So from C to this, I am going to join it. Okay. So this is 70 and this is 140. So this angle which you have drawn, it is 140 degrees. And where these two rays are intersecting each other, this is your point D. So which is the required quadrilateral? A, B, C and D. Have you understood? Alright. Shall I zoom it for you and show? Just see your quadrilateral. Okay. So please, this is the mark of arc. Let me make it dark so that it is visible for you. Okay. So please draw on your own. Use sharp pencil. Very neat and tidy diagram is expected. So 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles should be visible. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll see another construction, that is construction number 4 in next video. Thank you.